Did you know your body is physically impossible to burn even 1 gram of fat right now? Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video. Here is the shocking truth doctors won't tell you. There is one hormone that completely controls whether you store fat or burn it. And 93% of adults have this hormone totally messed up without even knowing it. It's called insulin. And even the tiniest rise in insulin, I'm talking microscopic amounts, completely shuts down all fat burning in your body. It's like flipping a switch. Fat burning, off. Fat storage, on. Think about it. You could eat perfect meals, exercise every day, count every single calorie. But if your insulin is high, your fat cells will keep growing no matter what. It's not your fault. You've been fighting the wrong battle. But today, everything changes. I am about to show you the #1 trick that lowers insulin by up to 40% without giving up the foods you love. And it starts with something so simple, you probably have it in your kitchen right now. Secret number 1, the sugar byproduct trick. Here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists in Europe just discovered something mind-blowing. There's a thick, dark syrup that's actually a waste product from making sugar. It's called blackstrap molasses. Now wait, before you think sugar is bad, listen to this. When people ate just half a tablespoon of this molasses 5 minutes before their meals, their insulin dropped by 20% from eating the same food. You see, blackstrap molasses isn't like regular sugar at all. When sugar is processed, all the good stuff gets left behind in this dark syrup, minerals, antioxidants, and special compounds that actually block your intestines from turning starch into sugar too quickly. Here is exactly how to use it. Take half to 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses exactly 5 minutes before your afternoon meal. Not morning, not dinner. Afternoon only. Why? Because your body naturally becomes more insulin resistant at night. Eating molasses late will actually make you store more fat while you sleep. But here's the critical warning. Never go over 1 tablespoon. More than that and the sugar content will cancel out the benefits. This is medicine, not food. Treat it that way. Secret number 2, the food order hack. Now, let me blow your mind even more. You can eat the exact same meal and lower your insulin by 40% just by changing the order you eat it in. This is proven science from diabetes research. Here's the magic sequence. Protein first, then vegetables. Carbs last. Why does this work? When you eat protein first, it triggers hormones called GLP-1 and glucagon. These hormones are like insulin's opposite. They actually fight against insulin and slow down how fast food becomes sugar in your blood. So that chicken breast, eat it first. Those vegetables, second. That rice or bread, save it for the very end. Same food, same calories, but 40% less insulin. Your fat cells literally can't grow as much. Want to supercharge this? Add fiber-rich foods like avocado or chia seeds to your meal. The fiber creates a barrier in your intestines that slows everything down even more. Secret number 3. The spice solution here is something pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know. Simple kitchen spices can lower insulin better than some medications. Ceylon cinnamon, just half a teaspoon in your morning coffee, activates your insulin receptors. This means your cells suck up sugar without needing as much insulin. Less insulin equals more fat burning. Turmeric works differently. It actually protects the cells in your pancreas that make insulin. When these cells are healthy, they don't panic and dump tons of insulin into your blood. But here's my favorite trick, apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon in water, 15 minutes before any meal with carbs, and your insulin drops by 30%. The acid literally blocks the enzymes that turn starch into sugar. Plus, your body converts that vinegar into ketones, pure brain fuel that kills hunger and cravings. Secret number 4, morning timing trick. This next part is critical and almost everyone gets it wrong. When you wake up, your body floods itself with cortisol, the stress hormone. This cortisol makes you temporarily insulin resistant for the first 90 minutes after waking. Think about what most people do. They wake up and immediately eat breakfast. Cereal, toast, oatmeal, fruit, all carbs. Their cortisol is sky high, so their insulin explodes. They've blocked fat burning for the entire day with just one meal. Here's the fix. Wait 60 to 90 minutes after waking before eating anything. During this time, drink water with a tiny pinch of sea salt to lower cortisol naturally. You can have black coffee or tea, but absolutely no milk, cream, or sugar. This simple timing change means your first meal happens when insulin sensitivity is highest. You'll burn more fat from the same food just by waiting. Try lemon balm tea. Steep it for 8 minutes. Studies show it directly lowers cortisol and stress. Your body literally becomes a better fat burner just from this one drink. Secret number 5. Sleep fat burning. Here is something that will shock you. Your body burns more fat percentage while sleeping than during exercise. Up to 70% of your energy during deep sleep comes from pure body fat. But there's a catch. You need quality sleep for this to work. Less than 6 hours of sleep? Your insulin sensitivity drops by 40% the next day. You literally become twice as bad at burning fat. The solution? Take magnesium glycinate before bed. Keep your room cold and pitch black. Your body temperature needs to drop to trigger fat-burning hormones like growth hormone. During deep sleep, insulin crashes to its lowest point while growth hormone peaks. This is when your body does its most aggressive fat burning. Miss this window, and you're fighting weight loss with one hand tied behind your back. Putting it all together, let me connect all the dots for you. Here's your daily insulin-lowering protocol. Morning. Wait 60 to 90 minutes after waking to eat. Drink water with sea salt. Black coffee with cinnamon is okay. Before lunch, if having carbs, take 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar and water 15 minutes before. Afternoon meal. Take ½ tablespoon blackstrap molasses 5 minutes before eating. Eat protein first, vegetables second, carbs last. Evening. No molasses at dinner. Add turmeric to your vegetables or meat. Before bed. Magnesium glycinate for deep fat-burning sleep. Look, I know this sounds almost too simple, but that's exactly why it works. You're not fighting your body anymore, you're working with it. These small changes compound over time. Each one makes the next one more powerful. Within days, your insulin will stabilize. Within weeks, fat will melt off areas that seemed impossible to lose before. Your body wants to burn fat. You just need to stop blocking it with high insulin. Start with just one of these tricks today. Your future self will thank you. Which trick are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know. And if this video helped you understand your body better, hit subscribe to Holistic for more truth about health that actually works. Remember, you're not broken. You just needed the right information. Now you have it. Use it.